Ian, Bal, Love, may about to be my husband in a minute. Finally, here we are, closing a page and now starting a new chapter.
Who would have thought a simple "Ay ganda" that I sent you on Facebook can lead me to the woman I'll be spending my whole life with. Back then, we just wanna have fun.
Who would have thought that this love turned into beautiful as now? Being a single mom, my perspective in life changed. I became hopeless about love.
Ang Ginoo wala nagkuha og bukog sa tiil aron patid-patiran. Wala siya nagkuha og bukog sa kamot aron dagmalan. Sa diha nga lonely si Adan, nagkuha siya og one of his ribs. Kilit tuol sa kasing-kasing aron mahalon og pangkaon.
And then you came, rescued me from the pain, lesson, and past.
And lastly, quote lang sa kanta ni DJ. Yeah. Palagi. Always remember na whatever may happen, I will always choose you no matter what happened.
Our love story did not begin perfectly, and we faced the big responsibility early in our life.
How blessed I am to call you mine. Your love makes me a better person each and every day.
I will be your cheerleader in this cold life.
Ang kami nyo niyan dyan, Ivy, dili siya lalim, no? So kay marriage is for the mature. Ang mga immature dili pwede. Kaya kining kinabuhi is higher level, higher dimension sa inyong panaguban sa kinabuhi.
God gave me you to become my game changer. My point of view in life shifted, and from that moment, I knew it would be you.
Finally, I found my place, my contentment.
You were there for my greatest challenges. You encouraged me to grow. You helped me believe in myself and become the better person that I am today.
I vow to honor and love you unconditionally. I promise to share and build a future life together filled with love, laughter, and adventures.
Loving what I know of you and trusting what I don't know yet. I give you my love, I give you myself, the good and the bad, and the yet to come. choose you and promise choose you as my wife every day.
And today, as we exchange vows, I promise na gagawin ko ang lahat para sa mas maging masaya pamilyang bubuin natin.
I will love you in words and deed. I will laugh with you, cry with you, scream with you, grow with you, and craft with you, and to be your kin and your partner in all life's adventure.
Ikaw pala ang finish line. Ikaw yung happy ending. Ikaw yung reward. Na ako sa bagong adventure kasama ka at ang mga soon to be kids natin. Dagana ha. Tandaan mo, love, simula ngayong araw, may boss ka na. Ay, misis ka na. I love you so much, more than words.
May I present to you, Mr. and Mrs. Ian Philip and Ivy Joy Alvino! Mabuhay ang pagkakasal!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Same Day Edit video presentation.